Hi everyone, Chef Rishi this side from Play. Today we are making grilled chicken breast. We have a chicken breast. We are adding some olive oil, little bit of pepper, little bit of thyme, little bit of salt, rub this nicely. Little bit of garlic, thyme, butter, asparagus, broccoli, bell peppers and zucchini. We add it. Pepper. Our vegetable is ready, so we can keep aside this vegetable. So our next step is mashed potato. We are adding a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of butter, adding a mashed potato, pan is ready for grill. So next we are making mushroom jus, olive oil. This is a mushroom.